Alright, here we come to the elevators at the Holiday Inn Hotel in San Antonio, Texas on the Riverwalk. Sure. Firefighter service. Actually, here's the down button right here. I'm not sure if this one works or not. Anyways, we'll call one of these. They're Dover Impulse. Not just any Dover Impulse. This one right here. Custom Impulse. You going up? You going up?
Come on, hurry up.
Level 10?
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Go, man. Hurry up.
These are Dover high-speed traction elevators from 1986, I think. Installed in 1986 from the Texas Elevator Records. So on the lobby. This is a nice elevator. They're fast too. They travel 700 feet per minute. Custom impulse fixtures. Oh my gosh, this panel's falling apart. Phone there. I don't think there's a phone in there. They need to fix the COP. If no one's waiting, I'll take it for one more ride. Never seen custom impulse fixtures before. 23? Not sure if these are relay logic or something. We're at 23. Alright, we'll go back down the line, we'll end it there. Oh my god, that indicator. These are fast, but not as fun as the one at Nick's Hospital with the Otis Autotronic elevators with the touch-sensitive buttons. This is how I watch the button go out. Here at the lobby. This right here is the Kruppy. This one was modernized. This is the garage elevator.
Yes, sir.
I'm an elevator photographer, just to let you know.
Awesome.
Yeah, yeah, this is a hobby I have. What floor are you going?
1 to 5. That's cool though. These elevators are nice, right?
Yes, they are. And this one's traction too. I was expecting something to be a hydro. This elevator was modernized, but the guest elevators are still original.
Yeah. Yeah.
Have a good day.
Good night.
You too. Oh, I hear the bells dinging out there. Cool. Oh, yes, this is the 5th floor.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Alright, let's go back down to the lobby. Door close button does not work. Anyways, this is similar to the guest elevators. I wonder how many feet this travel, like 350 feet per minute, I say? A lot of low-rise traction elevators here in Texas, according to the records, they travel 350 feet per minute. You go ahead, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There they go, and that's it.